Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Armstrong number program in Python. Firstly, let's define what is an Armstrong number. An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits in that number. What this exactly means is, let's take a number 153. This number is called an Armstrong number because 1 to the power of 3, because the total digits in this number is 3. So 1 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3. This results in the same number 153. So the number uh, raised to the power of the total digits in the number and their sum is equal to this same number again. That is the reason why 153 called as an Armstrong number. Similarly, when we take 1634, it is also an Armstrong number because 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4, which gives sum as 1634 again. Now we go into the program in Python for the Armstrong number. Uh, Firstly, we take number as an input in Python. We prompt the user to enter the input like enter a number. User enters the number and assign some value to 0 and and keeps number which user given in a temp variable. I will explain these two variable why we have taken these two variable afterwards. Now the logic goes like while temp greater than 0 digit is equal to temp modulo 10, which will gives the remainder value. 153 modulo 10 gives 3 as the answer. Now we add this number to the digit power 3, because here we are giving and also store length is equals to len of number digit power length. Similarly, temp floor division equals to 3. Now compare it with sum. If it is, then print num is an Armstrong, else print num is not an Armstrong. This is the program. Now we run this program. It's asking to enter a number. We enter 153. Yes, no length. Okay. like it's giving like length has no number, as it is an integer value. Here it is giving as length has no number. No issues. We can find length after taking the input, and then we typecast this number into integer. Now we get the correct answer. Enter a number 153, Armstrong number. Similarly, if we enter 183, that will be not an Armstrong number. And likewise, 16434 is also an Armstrong number. I hope you understand. Thank you.